Hey guys, how you doing? As you can see, I'm in a new environment, new kitchen, new everything. You heard? Took a while and a lot of effort to get here, but we're here. So I hope you like this new place. Today for the first dish in this beautiful kitchen, we're gonna ease into this. We're gonna make Patatas Bravas. That'll make for a perfect side dish. You wanna know how I did it? I'm Cosito. Shifting over to the first part of this process, we'll focus on the ingredients you need. You'll need chili powder, chili flakes, paprika powder, garlic powder, tomato paste, canned chopped tomatoes, 2 garlic cloves, an onion, sugar, of course salt and pepper, and your brave potatoes. In contrary to what you would think, brava does not translate to brave. Patatas Bravas or Papas Bravas translate to spicy potato. So the brava means spicy. To prepare the potatoes, just cut the papas into bite-sized pieces, just like this. After this, rinse the potatoes with water, then place them on a cloth or a strong kitchen paper and dry them off. By the way, I left the skin on these potatoes because these eat better with the skin on. Of course, leaving the skin on depends on the potatoes and it's completely optional, but highly recommended. The next step is to get the papas ready for the oven. In a bowl, sprinkle olive oil on top of them, followed with salt and pepper, and also garlic powder. Then just mix it all quite well together. Then in an oven tray, smear olive oil around such that the papas don't stick. Proceed to gently place them on a tray, not too close to each other. Lastly, we're gonna place them in a 190 degrees preheated oven for 40 minutes. Immediately, let's focus on chopping up this onion. It's gonna go just like this.
Another one.
It's time to start the sauce process. A bit of olive oil, a slice of your desired butter on a medium high, you know the deal. As the oil and butter are brought to a simmer, add the chopped onions, followed by mincing the 2 cloves of garlic. Now let it cook off for about 1 minute. Now after that, sprinkle in salt and pepper. Continue to pour in the whole can of chopped tomatoes. Mix that thoroughly and then add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. Now thoroughly incorporate that into the sauce. At this point, just be careful that the heat is not too high, such that you don't burn the tomatoes. In total, the sauce will be simmering away for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick or thin you want the sauce. So in that meantime, we're gonna put in a teaspoon of a bunch of ingredients, starting with a teaspoon of paprika powder, followed by a teaspoon of chili powder, then about a teaspoon of chili flakes, a bit of our favorites, salt and pepper, also about a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now for the sake of flavor, just mix them in. And lastly, we're gonna add the sugar. That's about a teaspoon of sugar also, but make sure you taste and add more ingredients as you need to.
Into the mouth. Nice.
The key tips here are to make it spicy but also a bit sweet. So take it to the edge on the spiciness, but also handle in a bit of sweetness. Other than that, let the sauce simmer on for the remaining minutes and it will look like just like this. Now take it off the heat and set it aside. At this point, the potatoes have probably finished in the oven, so take them out and they'll look just like this. Now it's time to plate these up. So as a last and secret ingredient, I will sprinkle on top some chopped up parsley. The chopped up parsley is optional, but highly recommended. Now come on, let's taste. The flavor of the potatoes is quite subtle, but the sauce packs a punch. All by all, the Patatas Bravas are yum. You see that? Como dicen los españoles, me pica el bagre. So, the next best thing for me to eat are those Patatas Bravas. But for you guys, check out the description for all the ingredients and measurement. And also, like this video if you have enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe. This has been Cosito's Kitchen, and showing you the difference between a chef and a cook. Take care, guys. Peace.